As Miss Bloom, it is time to plant our Brassica. So here's what you need. I put everything on a tray. So you don't need a tray, but like a newspaper or paper or just something to put underneath because you're going to work with soil. It's going to make a mess. Or just get ready to clean up a bunch of dirt. Up to you. All right. And then the next thing you're going to need, you're going to want, I think Miss Bloom probably gave you some soil. So you're going to want to find that. And then the planter cup is the cup that has two holes in it. Some water. I'm using a little cup that like the kind that you put medicine in just so that we can measure the water. And then Miss Bloom probably gave you seeds, and these are the Brassica seeds. We're going to plant a plant called Brassica. And then there are just these little round seeds. All right, you're going to need to find those. So you're going to need just something to put um, everything on just so you can work and then keep your area clean. Soil, planter cup, water, seeds, and then I have a container that I'm going to put my planter cup in. So I'm using just a regular cup here, but any plastic container is a good one. Last year I had a frozen lasagna, and then washed out the container and then used that, and that was really good. I'll kind of explain why you need that. Now to get our brassica seeds ready, you'll fill the container, the planter cup, with soil. All right, like like that. I'm not going to squish it down too much. Just a teeny. I'm not going to squish the soil down too much. I want there to be air in the soil. Now, I don't know how many seeds you got. All right. I don't know how many seeds you got. You probably got 2 or 3. Maybe you got 4, but we're just going to put 2 seeds. All right. Because we don't want the plants to get smushed, and we want them to have space. All right. So hopefully you have 2 seeds. Oh gosh. So here's one. And then here's another one. There's one here and there's one there. And then I'm just going to put a little layer of soil over it. A little layer of soil. Just cover it with a little layer of soil. All right. And then I'll put the planter cup in the container that I'm going to use. Sometimes people call it the planter. But this is just going to catch the water. You're going to see. I'm going to add about 30 milliliters of water. I'm going to fill up. Let's see. Can you see it? Can you see it? You see it says 30? About 30 milliliters of water. It's about two tablespoons, I think. But it'll probably spill, which it did, which is why you need something underneath. And I'm going to just pour this over just to get the soil moist. There we go. Nice and easy. And here's the thing. You probably are going to notice when you do this, some water falls through. There's holes at the bottom, and then water falls through. And so this lets the water leak out. And then not only that, but when we have our planter cup, you can put water in the planter and put the cup in there. So now your planter cup is in the whatever container you're using to hold the water. And because those holes are down there, the water can just go and up into the soil. And so this is what you got. And now we've planted our brassica. So yeah, thank you.